Okay, 8th graders, I am actually recording this in front of the 6th graders. They're being very nice to me, and they don't have to be. But we've been talking about multiplying radicals and simplifying radicals, okay? Remember, when we're multiplying them, we multiply the numbers that are not under the radical sign, and we multiply the things that are underneath them. We can't multiply a regular number times a radical number, okay? All right, so looking at this first one, this basically says 3 times the square root of ab squared times -2 times the square root of a. All right, now remember, since it's multiplication and they're all being multiplied, I can do them in any order I like. So I'm going to multiply the numbers first, so the integers. So 3 times -2 is -6. Then I'm going to multiply the stuff that's underneath the radicals. A times a gives me the square root of a squared, b squared. Okay? Now I can simplify that stuff underneath the radical because that's -6 square root a squared times the square root of b squared. And whenever I'm doing the square root of something squared, it's just the number that's underneath. So it's -6 a b. Okay? And that's our answer. All right. Now, I'm going to divide the screen in half. And let me do b for us. So it says the square root of r times 5 minus the square root of r. Now I'm going to treat this just like I would any other monomial times a binomial. I'm going to distribute. So it's going to be the square root of r times 5. So that's 5 root r. And then it's going to be the square root of r times the square root of r. Okay, or negative square root of r. So that's minus the square root of r squared. Now whenever I square a square root, it just gives me the number that's underneath. So I'm going to get 5 root r minus r. Okay? And we can't do anything to simplify that. The first term is simplified, and so is the second term. So it's going to be 5 root r minus r. All right, nice job. I think you're ready for your homework. Good job.